Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one that is about dy over dx. Next, we multiply both sides by dx. Next, I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. We have the x, that means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So this one we just have only y, and that is about number 1. So we have 4x. This one we don't have y, so you got number 0. This one we have dy, that means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to x. So this one that is about 2x, number 2, and number 2 we have number 4. This one we don't have x, so you got number 0. And we can see that this one and this one, they are same, so that is about exact. Now we need to set up about the function fxy equals to the integration. So I will select about this one plus 3xy. So the integration of 4x, that is about 2x squared. The integration of 2x, that is about x squared. Now we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one we don't have y, so you got number 0. And this one we have d over dy. And we know that this one equals to this one. And now we need to simplify for the both sides. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have 3y to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. And now we can simplify like this. So we need to go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about 3xy. 3xy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to fxy. Fxy equals to c. And now we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.